Kaunti ma Kiambu yango chenro mar Tiego jochiw thieth e yor konyo jodak ma kaunti no yudo thieth e yo makare. Ka oloso e kinde tiegruogno, director ma ochung' ne weche mag thieth e kaunti no Teresa Njoroge owacho ni chenro no geto jochiw thieth 60 mar bero thieth ne jodak ma kaunti no magibiro yude kinde mabiro. Bende omedo ni chenro no biro konyo tend kaunti no tiyo kanyakla gi jochiw thieth kaachiel kod jodak ma Kiambu e bero sekta mar weche mag thieth. Jochiw thieth go puoyo chenro no kendo singo tiyo kanyakla gi tend kaunti no e bero sekta no.
Action description.
And as we talk about the community scorecard, it is where we are able to identify issues at the facility, issues at the community that are affecting our people. And then from there, as a team, we can be able to come up with interventions.
So we empower them so that they can take that information to the community, because the overall objective of every person offering the services is simply give the best to the community.
The reason why we are collaborating with the leaders is so that we can be able to scale the primary health care. That is starting from the household level.
We want to seek the lowest person in the community, or the lowest rank in the community, get quality, affordable health. With this, we're able to know where are the challenges, how we are going to fight off the challenges, what action we are supposed to take, how we are supposed to take it. So our main ideas will be smart. That will, the ideas that we bring on the tables, the challenge that the community will bring on the tables, will be smart, specific, attainable,